All right. Welcome back, everyone. This is Teamwitherving here. So today is Saturday. So today we are recording our Forex pre-week analysis for the week of June 21st to the 25th, 2021. So I'm gonna go over, guys. I was planning to give you 3 pairs, and then I was like, okay, should I give them 4? Let me know in the comment below if 3 or 4 is good. So I want to give you content, but I don't know how many pairs are fair for you to be watching. But so far, guys, this past week that I gave you, I count out yesterday, Saturday, I count out and I gave you guys 2,418 pips for free on my weekly analysis. That is freaking amazing. All for free. Stop paying for signal, guys. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and do our Forex pre-week analysis. We're gonna go ahead and start with our Euro GBP. All right, so Euro GBP, guys, it is bearish. Look at the multiple time frame as well with your sniper entry, right? Look, the sniper entry in this scenario here is giving us that we are selling. Look at the stairs, guys. The stairs is only heading in one direction. Boom, boom. Is selling. Clearly it's telling you that we are selling. If you tell me the market is bullish, oh my goodness, I don't know what I would do with your question. But anyway, the market at this present time, guys, it is doing a pullback. Real-time trend right now, the market is giving us a pullback in this area here. Then so the pullback is valid, still valid. Nothing wrong with it. Look at that, market is going in the same direction. So if I had to analyze the market based on what on this pullback here, I would say the market's still gonna push a few pips out, guys, maybe another 15 to 30 pip out before the drop happens. So that's why I draw a continuation of that bullish position. So meeting another probably 15-20 pip, meeting 38, mid 38 and 50. Then from there, market officially is gonna give us a continuation of that sell that we're looking for, retesting our 23 Fibonacci, or either coming lower and giving us a retest on our multiple time frame previous touches, which is gonna be mid to 0 to the 23 Fibonacci. But I just left it on the 23 because we are coming back anyway on Wednesday, when we're gonna reanalyze this market all over again. Then the market is gonna do a smoke retracement, then we'll continue as a bearish. But all I can see for this coming week, guys, the market is giving us, is gonna give us on Euro GBP a continuation of the sell. All right, so that's all I can see, unless if you tell me, no, Irvin, you are wrong, I don't think what you're saying here is right. Please respectfully let me know, and I will give you, the best of my knowledge and give you the answer, right? And remember one thing, guys, it's very important for all of you guys, is please, guys, please do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. This business is awesome, to be honest. It's awesome. You can win big and you can also lose if you don't know how to trade. So I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just not giving you a signal as well, but what I'm giving you here is pretty accurate, so you can match it with the system. If you are not part of our system, guys, don't forget to to come and join us and see if you find the value or on this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, so like that you stay active. And tomorrow I'm gonna be putting in our weekly forecast, so stay tuned. Okay, so so let's go and retest our USD Canadian, guys. I told you on this pair, guys, the market was bullish. I told everyone, when actually I didn't tell you this. I want to give a special shout out to one of our members, Billy. Billy is the one who gave me this pair. I said, Irvin, what do you guys think on USD Canadian as a buy? So, and then yes, Billy, this was awesome. So this is what this guy got in here. He saw the multiple time frame here. Then he saw our TWA sniper entry going in favor of the buy position. Oh my God, even our multiple time frame white arrow also give us that boost as a buy position. Look at the stairs, guys. Stairs don't lie. Boom, boom, boom. And what happened? Boom! Market went to the moon. Kind of like the Doge phrase. Doge went to the moon. Same thing with USD Canadian, guys. USD Canadian went to the moon. But now, look at this one, guys. 368 pips. I made a video yesterday, Friday. Please go back and watch it. And that thumbnail of that video was how to master USD Canadian, and I put 305 pips because in that moment I was on profit with 305 pips only. Now it's 63 more pips on profit. That could be $60, $6,000, $600. It's tons of money in there. All right, so what is my opinion for this coming week, right? So I think the market, guys, it need to now is time for the market to give us a what? What do you think? It's giving us heads up. It's time for the market to give us a pullback. That's all I can see, guys. It's time for the market to give us that pullback. So yes, I will set right from that area where the market is sitting right now. The market is gonna retrace back, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then the market is gonna do a small tiny retracement. Why is that retracement valid important? It's important because it's gonna make this sell position that you are seeing here is gonna make it valid, because right now it's weak. The market is still bullish, don't get me wrong, market is still bullish, but we need to have confirmation of that sell. Once that is valid, boom, market will give us a continuation of the sell. So all I can say is this week, guys, the week of 21st to the 25th, I can't believe we are doing another Forex pre-week analysis, guys. I can't believe it. The week go by so quick. Tomorrow is gonna be our Forex weekly analysis, and it's just amazing. But anyway, marking here, guys, is giving us a pullback. Okay, let me know in the comment below, guys, if you do have any question. So we are gonna, I'm very excited, guys. I'm super excited. I gave for free, guys, for free. Here's my calculator, because I counted. Here's my calculator. Look at that, 2,418.3 free pips that I gave you guys. Free. A lot of people are charging you tons. Stop paying for bullshit signal, guys. Learn how to trade. That is the best gift I can tell you, man, for free. Learn how to trade. Look at the market. Look, market don't lie. Clearly tell us here we are in a buy position, and look, boom, our sniper entry come in. Look at the reward. Look, boom. That was all that data did not exist. All this data did not exist. This is how I like to give you analysis. Now, pay close attention. Look at the data that does not exist yet. All this you don't know yet for next week. You don't know that. So that I love to give you analysis on things that it may happen. It may not. It may happen or may not. So I mean, it's there. But I'm very excited, guys. Just Just bear with me. All right, next on is gonna be GBP USD. Let's go. Look at that, GBP USD, guys. It is freaking selling. I told every freaking one, market is selling, guys. I hope you believe me. Look at the dashboard, guys. Dashboard is on fire, dude. Look at that. Boom. Oh my God. Do you agree with me? The dashboard is what? What do you think the market is doing? Boom! Teamwitherving is on fire. I'm telling you guys, the dashboard, it is on fire. Now, why the market is selling? Why is the GBP selling? Look at the multiple time frame telling us we're selling. Look at the multiple time frame white arrows telling us we are selling. Look our TWE sniper entry. Boom, it's selling. And what is the market doing, guys? Look at that. Boom. Look at that. So I will say, guys, the market is still gonna probably give us another probably 5-10 more pips. And now officially, guys, we're gonna move on to a what? What do you think is gonna be in this area, guys? This area here is going to be a what? What do you think, guys? It's going to be a pullback. It's time for the market to give us this coming week, guys, a pullback. So that pullback is going to be a bullish position, either retesting mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci, and then market from this area here. Anyway, we're gonna come back on Wednesday. By Wednesday we should have the continuation of the trend, or maybe by Wednesday the market's still gonna be bullish, guys, still gonna be doing the pullback. Okay, so but we are gonna be meeting this Wednesday. Make sure you guys, everybody, subscribe if you haven't done so. The link is below if you want to become a member. If not, it is fine with me, no worries. Make sure you hit that bell notification below so you will never ever miss any content from us. Especially tomorrow is gonna be our weekly Forex analysis. So today we are just doing our pre-week Forex analysis, and tomorrow is gonna be the full week. Okay, so today is Saturday, guys. Please never trade on Sundays. I always tell everyone, don't trade on Sunday, guys. Sunday is a trap day. It will trap you, it will eat you, it will chop you out. All right, so let's move on to the last one, guys. On this pair that I'm here, guys, I'm trading this one. I had 3 accounts. I'm still active on this one. I also told everyone the master trend on AUDJPY, it is bearish. You heard me for what, for 3 weeks already telling you the same thing, guys, and I'm not afraid to repeat it again. Look at your dashboard, guys. Your dashboard, it is on fire. Who else is on fire here? Our multiple time frame here is telling us that we are selling. Our multiple time white arrow is also telling us that we are selling. Our sniper entry here is telling us that we are also selling. Our blue multiple time frame arrow is also telling us that we are selling. And guess what? Guess what? What is the market doing? Boom! Market is dropping like it's hot, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm freaking, look, guys, I gave 2,418.3 pip for free. Oh my god, I'm telling you, this is just the weekly analysis, guys. Oh my god, guys, but yeah, I'm super excited, bear with me. So what's my understanding for this week, guys? All I can see is this coming week, guys, the week of the 21st to the 25th, the market is gonna give us a lot of new stuff. And what do you think it will be? It will be a lot of pullbacks. A lot, guys. So in here, guys, market still trending down. So I would say maybe market is gonna still give us another 15-20 pips before the market really move on to the continuation of the pullback. So that we got no signal, so maybe probably like 10-15 more pips. Then we're gonna get a new confirmation signal here letting us know that we are ready for the pullback to go on the other side of the aisle. Most likely it's gonna retest your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci line. You know what, I don't think it will stop here on the 23, guys. Let me correct this live with you. I would say market most likely, look at here, look at the evidence, look at that. We got brothers and sisters coming in and retesting your 23.6. So most likely it will break that brothers and sisters, guys, and it's gonna come back and retest your mid 38.23 Fibonacci line. So I just gonna leave it in there. I think I like this area in here better than the other one that I saw it. And then from that point on, it's gonna be Wednesday and the market, it will continue as a sell. All right, so that's all I can see, guys. Unless, I don't know if you do have any questions, so we're just gonna leave it right here. That's more than enough. Perfect. So yes, guys, I'm still on this trade. This trade has made me over 7K. I'm super excited, guys. The market is on fire. Our analysis here, guys, I do take my time giving you accurate information. I just don't want to give you shady stuff. And please, guys, stop paying for signals. Look, learn how to trade, guys. The best gift that you can learn in this business is learn the business. Don't depend on signal, guys. Yes, look, I can depend on someone telling me Irvin, or let's say John, or Dave, or Billy, or Harold, whoever. I can depend on analysis and say, okay, let me see what this guy has to say for this coming week, if it really makes sense. Yes, I can say that is valid. But please, guys, don't let anybody to teach you back data. Look at this one. It was buy. Obviously, the market went bullish. Here is bearish. Obviously, the market dropped. No, look, I called this out, guys. I told you guys the market was gonna drop before that drop happened. I told every single one the market was gonna do that. If anyone's gonna teach you guys, please allow them to teach you data that you are not seeing it. So when we do the before and after, then you can judge and say, you know what, Irvin, you were right. No, Irvin, you were wrong. I mean, remember, the analysis are subject to change based on the news they are gonna be released that week, guys. Always check the news, no matter what. Always check the news. That should be your rule number 1 for life. All right, so guys, I'm super excited. So today we are doing our Forex pre-week analysis for the week of June 21st to the 25th. Please make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be our Forex weekly analysis, so you cannot miss that. Make sure you hit that bell notification. I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow. So today is Saturday, tomorrow it is Sunday, and please don't trade on Sundays, guys. I know the market open at 5 p.m. Eastern time, but please don't do that unless if you want it. You know, it's a trap day. They will blow your account. All right, so that's the best I can tell you. All right, guys, so remember, stay healthy. Respect your family, your friends, whoever. Always stay humble. Always stay humble, guys. No matter how many success or much money you're gonna have on this business, always stay humble. Be you and never change. Money should never change you. So always stay humble. So stay safe. God bless you, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Take care. Peace out. Boom.